Hello, good afternoon. It is Amber with the Hormone Hack. I had a minute, so this ain't gonna be a very long video, but I wanted to get on here and just talk real quick about adjustments. I'm not talking about chiropractic adjustments, I'm talking about adjustments in your schedule. So anyway, this week I was kind of anticipating a challenge with my eating schedule and how I like to eat and when I was going to be able to do it, because I intermittent fast and then I have my timed eating window. So anyway, I want to let you know that it is possible to take your abnormal schedule for a minute and be able to do this. So like today I was in a class. I'm still in a class. We're doing some fire training. I'm still in a class and it was all classroom today, and that's fine. You know, classroom time is fine. And we were getting about 10-minute breaks every hour, and we had a 45-minute break at lunch. Well, I don't like to break my fast at lunch because I do the 8. Typically, I'm at like the 20-hour right now is what I do right now. It's just the pattern I've been in. And so I decided I was going to run my errands. I was going to be real efficient. So I was like, I have 45 minutes on my lunch break to go to Walmart, and I had to get some butter because I'm going to make some steak tonight. And I was almost out of butter. So I used my lunch hour as a time to just get some errands done. And then in my 10-minute break windows, I figured out when my 10-minute break was going to be, and I broke my fast. I actually did about an hour earlier than I wanted to, which was about 2 o'clock this afternoon. And I broke it with an avocado, which at lunch, because I had a few minutes left, I was able to get it kind of like prepared, where all I had to do on my break is eat it. I didn't have to do anything, I just had to eat it. And then of course I always had my fat bombs ready to go, and I had a fat bomb, and then I had a banana that needed to get eaten because it was getting too ripe. There's Jake. And so I've had to kind of make these adjustments. I felt like the last 2 days with the schedule, I've had to jump through hoops to make things happen, and that's fine. It's not usual for me to have to do that, but I am so determined to stay on my plan, because I know for me, if I get off on a day or two, then a whole lifestyle kind of goes out the window for a while, and it makes it harder to get back. But I've been able to make the adjustments, and it's going to be like this for the rest of the week, and it's just a week, okay? It's not like a 3 months of my life. We're talking about 5 days. So I'm having to make the adjustments, and so far I'm able to do it. And it's kind of tiring to think, because I really have to plan it out and how I'm going to carry my food and all these things. But I can totally do it. It doesn't take too much time to figure it out, and I don't need to use it as an excuse to go back to old habits. So if you're in a position where you're in a training, or you're having to really think, because your schedule's messed up for a few days, can I make the adjustment? Yes, you can. If you need to carry a little cooler with ice, you can make the adjustment. If you just have to take a little bit of time, like 20 minutes the night before, and prepare something, make the adjustment. If it just means you take a Walmart bag and you put everything in a pile, so in the morning you just grab it and go, you make the adjustment. The 20 minutes or 15 minutes of adjustment is way worth the lack of putting that inflammation back in your body, putting the guilt back on your mind, and all those things. So just be encouraged. You can do it. And if you need help, let me know. So that's it. Make the adjustment. You can do it. We all go through it. Nobody's benign from it. And move on with your day. And that's just what we do. We just move on with our day. So anyway, the lifetime membership program is going to be going up probably by the end of next week is what I'm shooting for. So if you want in the membership program, get in it now, because the price is going up, and it's going to be because I'll be shipping you physical products from it, which the implementer's in there now. That would be the physical product that I send you, and then I'm going to be shipping you a coffee mug. So that is going to be the other item that I'm going to do, the Hormone Hack coffee mug, because I like coffee and I think it'd be a nice gift to send you. But if you get in now, the implementer's there. It's there for download. You can totally print it off yourself. The coffee mug, I will probably put a link if you want to buy that separately, but I just want to let you know, yes, the price is going to be going up probably the end of next week, and I want you in now, so any upgrades, you're there, you're done, it's for life. So anyway, if you're looking to change up your lifestyle, you're looking to get into a program that focuses on life and not diet, then please get in now. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to get off here and move on with the rest of my day because I'm still adjusting, and I will talk to you on the next video. Thanks, bye.